Exploring uncharted waters, understanding in virgin territory. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into an interesting phrase that you might have heard but not fully understood. In virgin territory. This expression has a fascinating background and various applications in both everyday and professional language. Our goal is to unpack its meaning, origin, and how you can use it in your own conversations or writings. Let's explore this uncharted territory together. In virgin territory refers to being in a situation, place, or area of study that is completely unexplored or untouched. The word virgin here signifies purity or the state of being unchanged and unaffected by human activity. When someone says they are in virgin territory, they mean they are experiencing something new and unfamiliar, where no one, or at least they themselves, have not ventured before. This phrase can be used in various contexts, from personal experiences and adventures to scientific research and business ventures. For instance, if a scientist is conducting research on a previously unstudied natural phenomenon, they might say they're in virgin territory. The term virgin territory has its roots in exploration and geography. Historically, explorers used it to describe lands that were unmapped and unexplored by Europeans. These territories were untouched by the influence of European culture and technology, hence the term virgin. Over time, the phrase transcended its literal meaning to encompass any field or activity that is new and unexplored. It captures the excitement and uncertainty of stepping into the unknown, whether it's physical exploration or metaphorical adventures in ideas, technology, or life experiences. You can use in virgin territory to express that you or someone else is venturing into something new and uncharted. It's a versatile phrase that can add a layer of depth to your conversations or writing. Here are a few examples. Starting this innovative project feels like we're in virgin territory. As the first person in my family to attend college, I'm in virgin territory. This new research puts us in virgin territory, revealing possibilities we hadn't imagined before. When using this phrase, it's important to convey a sense of boldness and innovation. It's about breaking new ground and pushing beyond the familiar. We hope this exploration into the phrase, in virgin territory, has been enlightening and inspiring. Whether you find yourself in virgin territory in your personal life, in your studies, or in your career, remember that it's an opportunity to learn, grow, and discover new possibilities. Thank you for joining us on this linguistic journey, and we look forward to seeing how you'll use this expression in your own adventures. Happy exploring!